All right, guys, it is official. We are officially winning the 2019 Tesla Model 3. Perfect. All right, guys, it is official. We are officially winning the 2019 Tesla Model 3. I think I'm going to increase my max bid just a little bit more because we are winning this one right now. So let's go ahead and just increase the bid just a little bit more, just because, you know. There it is. I've went ahead and placed my max bid at 1,000 for now. We'll see if anybody bites on it. But more than likely, I'm probably going to spend about 10,000, up to 10,000 on this one, just because of what it is. You guys saw this in one of the recent videos. I'm going to give you guys a dedicated video on this Tesla here very soon because you guys have requested the crap out of it. So we will go ahead and do that. I will give you guys a full dedicated video on this car. I am very, very interested in this Tesla. For a couple of reasons. Supercharging is still available on Model 3s, right? That could change in the future. I understand that. But this one has not been reported to Tesla as a salvage title. That's so huge. That is so huge. And it's one of the main reasons I think that this is going to be one of the next cars here on the channel. So I went ahead and placed a massive bid on it. And I thought maybe we should get into some live bidding so you guys can see just how cheap some of these cars on Copart go. Today, there's not auctions in my area, but we're going to go check out Tennessee. All right, guys, I wanted to put this into a more of a wide angle view, but unfortunately, the phone is not supporting it. Now, I do not have a dealer's license. Let me turn this music off for right now. I know it's dramatic. Y'all probably like that. Uh-oh. All right, now, anytime you see you're not eligible to bid on this lot,
high participation in the lane.
That happens when you're either in an area that requires a business license or a dealer's license, and I don't have either of those, so I have to use a broker when I bid in Tennessee. But I just wanted to give you guys an example of just how cheap some of these vehicles will go. Now this one's going for a little bit more than I would pay for it at $2,500. Ooh boy, that bonus time be getting people, man. That bonus time be just holding people, like hold this L, right? So, in my area in North Carolina, you do not need a dealer's license to be able to bid on cars. It's the same thing out where Randy's at in Oklahoma City at Auto Auction Rebuilds. Georgia's another place that's kind of mixed. But there are states that you can bid and not have to have a license. But look at some of this, right? 165,000 mile, 2005 Honda Odyssey. You know, it does have some damage, right? You can see here the bid on it is $450. It does have some damage, but you can get some ridiculously good deals, right? Let's see if it goes at $500. Yep.
Bonus time.
Oh! It's almost like when bonus time hits, it's like a sign that you have to bid again. And the person that thought they won it is just
sold on approval.
All kinds of L's. All right, so $550. Now here's a 2020 Corolla. Now, I bought one of these. If you guys look back on the channel, I actually bought one of these at Copart. I think for like $6,500 is what I paid for it. And it had light front end damage. It took me a day to fix it. I think I'm going to republish some of those older videos that you guys missed out on. But look at that. That one went for $6,300. The same thing. Like I told you, I paid $65 for mine. Look at this 2006 Mercedes, right? Because it says Benz with 200,000 miles, someone's going to overpay for it.
This is a hot lot.
Man, that's crazy. It's at $1,100. That's not bad.
New bidder.
But you figure with some of these fees, man, that it's going to be ridiculous. All right, so at $1,200, you're probably paying like $1,600, $1,700
bonus time.
Oh, someone just held that L. Someone's going to bid. Someone's going to bid. It's coming. No?
Sold.
Congratulations. We got a 2003 Ford Explorer, aka the Exploder. Anyways, guys, with today's video, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an example of some of the good deals you can actually get at Copart. I mean, I see cars go for $200 all the time. You guys saw I got that Nissan Sentra for what, $275, I think is what I paid for it, and then with fees or whatever, and that was just a donor vehicle, right? And then the one that I won that had the good, all the way good front end was a $175 car. After all the work, it's going to take a month or two to get the car done, but after all the work is done on the vehicle, I'm probably only going to be like $800, $900 into a car that is a 2014 Nissan Sentra. You know, you can get some crazy deals out at Copart. Don't be afraid to check it out. Like, just go to the website, go to Copart.com and sign up. You can do the same thing at multiple other auction sites, but today I was really just focusing on Copart so you guys can see how that works. Like I said, it's free to sign up. You don't have to have a broker in some states. Like in North Carolina, where I'm at, I don't have to have a broker. Oklahoma's another state. And I'm going to do a dedicated video on where you can bid and buy and not have to have a license. That's going to be coming really soon. Kind of like a how to do Copart type of video. But anyways, we're winning the Tesla. Let's hope that we win that Model 3. And you guys got to see just how cheap some of these vehicles are going for on Copart. And with that said, let's go ahead and get into the walk around. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to another Copart walk around. Today's Copart walk around is probably not going to be super long. I got to get through these cars because I actually have to pick up a Copart win that's like 60 miles in the opposite direction. But I want to get this in for you guys today, so let's get to it. And for real, I want to see if there's anything I can win, if I can add anything else to the list, right? So let's look and see what we can find, shall we? There it is. Damn it. I was digging for this one, boy. Look at this Porsche, baby. Look at this thing of beauty right here. Look at this thing of beauty. 2017 Porsche Cayman. 27,000 miles on the clock. You can see here it says 718 in the rear. Now, I believe, I'm not a super Porsche guy, but this is the mid-engine Porsche, right? I don't see any major damage here. Looks like it was just cosmetic. That's going to have to be replaced. That spider running after me. You better stay over there. And it looks like they put the panel and stuff right here in the car. Car still has power. It's dead, though. I saw the gauges jumping around. So we're not going to move this stuff and try to start it. But fender, you can see the crash bar there. Everything else is in the car. Huh. It'll be added to my watch list for sure. We'll add this one to the watch list and we'll see what it goes for. But yeah, I'm definitely interested in this one. Dun, 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 dun. There's supposed to be a Dodge back here somewhere. A Charger. I know I've been looking at a lot of Chargers lately. But they're almost getting to be as common at the salvage auctions as Mustangs. That doesn't bode well for their handling skills, I guess. Here she is. See, 16,000 miles on this one, and it looked really nice. Yeah, I can see the wheel is all busted. Front end is definitely, oh no, yeah. Yeah, that might be too much. Damn it. I was interested too, because from the photos, it just looked like the crash bar had taken a hit. It might have been bent. It didn't look that serious, you know? But after looking at this now, like in person, yeah, she's pretty bad. Shame. Now there's an old Mercedes supposed to be right in this. There it is. Ha ha ha. Look at that, man. Look at that. Damn. Wow. 1995. What is it? S500? S420. Man. It says bio mold, so water must have got into it. Yep. It smells like ass. I like the rims on it. It's got the nice AMG rims on it. Is this to cover the window or is it sealed? Okay, no. All right, cool. Still got the Mercedes phone on deck. I can see the mold and everything in it. But, you know what? This one's not that bad. This one could be... You could have this one detailed and cleaned up. This is a classic too, man. I could definitely see this, like somebody wanting this back on the road. This one right here is definitely pretty. Uh-oh. No, no! This doesn't fail, man. You're like, oh, it looks so good from this side, and you come to this side, and it's like, bum, 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 whoa, it's over with. Look at this. This whole thing is done, man. Because the back fender's all torn into that fender. Like, even if you just had to do doors in the front fender, like, it would probably still be savable. But then when this is all crushed, yeah, this is a parts car at this point. It's what you call finished. Finish him. This thing's a wrap. Sad, because it's a beautiful car. Man, these Honda Accords have to be like one of the best cars ever made. Now, this one is definitely finished. Ain't nobody fixing this one. But 292,000 miles on the odometer. Look at the rear, right? The rear just got devastated, smashed. But damn it, man. Oh, these were great cars, man. They don't, you know when they say, you know when old people used to say they don't make them like they used to. Now I guess I'm that old guy saying they don't make them like they used to, because they sure don't make them like this one anymore. They sure don't. And this thing was, these things were great, man. And they were quick little cars, man. These cars were not no slouch, man. These were not no punk, man. Which brings me to this Lincoln MKZ. Definitely interested in this one. Supposedly it's got mold in it, and it does. Oh, and it's got birds or rats or something that have been tearing up stuff. Oh, wow. Everywhere. Ooh, and it smells like hamsters or something. And you can see it. Yeah, they had rats or something in here, man. Hamsters. Oof. Never mind. I'm good. I don't care if it's a cheap deal. Man, I can't get that smell out my nose. Boy, that's worse than Badussi. Whew. Man. Oh, man. Oh, wow. That might be a new worse smell. Who the hell has hamsters in your car, man? Just raw hamster material everywhere. This FRS is all done. Finished, smashed. Finito is done. Done. Got a couple toasties over here. I swear, man, I'm seeing more and more Chevy Silverados burned out. Let me find out that there's something going on with these Chevys that they're just burning to the frames like this. At least they don't melt like Fords, though. The Ford bodies will melt and just disintegrate. But look at this. This is either a Silverado or a GMC Sierra. This GM truck, though, is done. Toasty! There's a Jeep, or a whatever they called that, Fiat Panda, whatever the hell it was. There's an Expedition. Let's take a look at this one. A little bit of a hit to the rear, it says. Let's look. Yeah, oh. And it's an EcoBoost. It's not, you know, crash bar doesn't look bad. Maybe a back hatch, a new lift gate back there. 113,000 miles on it. Where it has the EcoBoost, it might not be bad. Oh, they got the fender well and stuff in here. Oh, the back bumper and stuff and everything is already in here. Well, let's see if she fires up. Wow, that's an EcoBoost? That had a little bit of a rumble to it. That didn't sound like garbage. That actually sounded pretty good when it fired up. Did you hear that? Normally, like, they sound like they just suck, but this one doesn't. I mean, this is a basic this is a base model. No leather seats, cloth interior. You know, this is a base model, but this is not bad. Liftgate is ajar, you think? I thought it was a door. I didn't think it was a jar. All right, we know this one runs. I'm gonna add this to my watch list right quick. Let me scan this one in, because you never know. Like right now, I'm buying more than I normally do. And some of the vehicles I'm buying, guys, like I know you guys are like, oh, and you guys are seeing them on Instagram. I'm live streaming them with you guys on Instagram, but you guys aren't seeing them on YouTube because they're gone that quick, you know. Let's see here. Let me scan this in. All right. Add it to my watch list. Well, we'll walk and see if we see anything else on the way out, guys. But like I said, there was really only a couple I wanted to see. I wanted to see that Charger, and I definitely wanted to see that Porsche. And there it is, you know. This G37 doesn't look horrible. What do you want to bet? It's like smashed on the other side though, right? Can't catch a break. Oh, the front end's gone. Fender. It's not too bad though. Whew. I think that might do it, guys. I know it's a shorter video today, but you know, it is what it is. If I don't pick up this other car, then I gotta pay a day of storage fees, and I don't want to do that. You know, I want to pick up this other car and get it down so I can get it fixed, being that it is one of the giveaway candidates. I'm gonna go ahead and fix both cars, and then I'm gonna let you guys choose, and then I'm probably gonna give away, maybe I'll give away both, I don't know, we'll see. We will see. We will see. I'm not seeing anything that's just grabbing my attention on the way out. Yeah, I think, guys, that is gonna wrap it up. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. I know it's a little shorter than what we normally do. And today's, you know, I had the time while I was here doing paperwork for something else, so I figured, you know, let me just run around real quick, get a quick walk around before I got to run over to the other one. There were 2 cars I wanted to see that are coming up in the next 2 weeks, so I figured let me look at them now, so you guys got to see those. Again, thank you guys very much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Make sure to go subscribe to the second channel, link in the description down below. Sometimes if I just get a wild hair and I decide I want to come do a walk around or come look at a vehicle, I'll do it live. And I do those over on the other channel. You guys can find that. People will tell you about it here in the comments as well. But anyways, guys, thank you guys very much for the support and the growth. I really appreciate it. Major salute to all y'all. Thank y'all very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. I know, I promised you guys a bike walk around before, and I promise that is on my schedule this week. I am going to come out here and get you guys a full motorcycle walk around, from these Indians to the Vulcan to this GSXR, all these amazing bikes. I promise. Look, there's a Busa. I promise you guys got a bike walk around coming very soon.
Perfect.
Finish him.